Hi everyone, I recently got this Wainyok kids tablet. It's a 7-inch tablet. It's Android. It's for kids. So here's the listing on Amazon. It cost 40 bucks at the time of this, the time that I just got it. I was looking for something really cheap to use, just to entertain my kid once in a while. We're like on an airplane or, if I have an important meeting. You can see, here's the listing about it. It's got really basic specs and Android Go. But let me show you what's nice about it. So here's the box that it comes in, and here's the tablet. And it comes with a stand, which is portable. So this could just slide right into here, and you have a stand wherever you go. You just slide it through, and you got a stand. So it's flat, and it could go anywhere. So if you get a case for your tablet, you can just throw it right in. It comes with a charging cable. It's micro USB, and it comes with an instruction manual and a screen protector over there. So here's the tablet. You can see it got some fingerprints because I was using it. So it's nice. It's got blue and pink on it, so it works well for a girl. But if you got a boy also, they might like it because it's got the blue. But either way, whatever. I have a girl, so that's why I got it. So it's got nice rubber edges in this built-in case. My battery is running out, so I got to charge it. So it comes with Android pre-installed, and it has this app called iWawa, which lets it be the default launcher, which puts it into a kids mode. In kids mode, it locks it out from downloading anything, from accessing the internet. It gives you control as the parent of what you want it to do. So this is really meant for like a small kid, a younger kid, where you could actually control everything. So I put a down from Google Play, some games, and it came with some of them installed already. And you could control as the parent what shows up here. If you go over here, see where it says kid, you could hit saying you want to exit it. And when you try exiting, you'll see over here is the bottom left, this button right here. There's a button right there. When you do that, it's got two options. So if you got a small kid, you could just do something like this, where it just gives you the math problem in order to get into adult mode. Sorry. But you could also do set my own password if you have an older kid and you want to keep it more secure. So over here, you could sign in to get more online services, etc. But over here is the part which I like, which gives you the control over what apps show up in the kids mode. So over here you can just check which one you want to show up and where you want to show up. So you see the browser, I got it deactivated. The calculator, I don't need it. But like, the learning animals and little pianist, things like that I want to show up, but the other items, I don't have, showing up. And that's basically how it works. It's a simple tablet. It's got very basic memory, low memory, not it's got 16 gigabit of storage, but it's great for a young kid to install basic games. It comes with Android Go instead of full version of Android, so it doesn't take up as much space, which you don't really need it because you're just using it for the basic games and stuff like that. So overall, for $40, I think it's worth that price. I wouldn't spend too much more than that, just because it's pretty slow. Because it doesn't have the fastest processor or anything like that. I'm just gonna show you one game I downloaded. Let's just pick ABC Kids. Just show you can see like the general lead time of how long it takes to open up the app and stuff like that. So this is an app made by RV App Studios.
Hi, I'm Lucas. Hi, I'm Ruby. And we're Lucas and Friends.
So that's the loading time, and then we could open up any game here. I'll just show you right here. So this is teaching the kid alphabet. It shows you how to trace the letter and basically teaches you how to make it. And then if you want to exit, you can swipe up You sure I don't want to quit? Yes. And that's it. So thanks for watching my review on this Android tablet. It's got a memory card slot if you need extra space. It's got a charging cable, headphone jack, power and volume control buttons, and then a back and some other button here. I'm not sure what this one is. So thanks for watching my video and have a great day.